Hi guys, nandito kami sa Flavius Colosseum in Korea. Hi guys, we're in here. Where are we?
Daegu.
We're here in a cool coffee place that looks like Europe. Show you guys. Look at that. It's like Europe and Korea.
At the same time.
The Colosseum.
Yeah,
You know what the
boy.
Colosseum is?
No? What is
That's where
it?
people fight. See all those gladiators up there?
Yes.
Those are the gladiators. We highly recommend this place to visit, right?
Yes.
Why?
Because it is the goodness of God.
Hello everyone, we're here in Gyeongju City. We'll see you guys there. Guys, we're gonna check that place out later, right Max?
Yeah, at nighttime. Because it's gonna be more great at nighttime.
Kaya mag-Tagalog?
Opo.
Sino Tagalog ba?
Wait lang. Filipino challenge tomorrow na, okay? Wala mo, marunong ko sa Filipino. Gaming ako. Kasi.
We're here in Coffee Bean with my K-pop son.
Yeah, we're doing the same as the Facebook as well.
City are we? Gyeongju.
What is that? Is that karate?
Yeah, So the place is closed, guys, because they have Asia Song Festival going on today.
Only tomorrow, guys. So we have to cut this video into pieces.
So we'll be back tomorrow to check out
No,
Lumina.
Dad, you're going, Dad. You're going tomorrow.
No. We're coming back tomorrow to check out this place out. Look at that. Lumina night. Said come back at 5 o'clock because they're having Asia Song
COVID.
Festival.
So they're having COVID.
Hi guys, so we found this kidult museum. Let's check it out. Oh, may bayad pala. Oh, they told us to find all of the stickers and we'll get a prize.
Film projector.
Film project. This is 100 years old.
Okay.
This is 100 years old. He said 100 years old. And this one's 200 years old.
200.
200 years ago.
Candle project.
Imagine if you were vlogging with this thing.
I was born there.
It's a doll from 1930. Cost $7,000. Creepy. Look at that Lego Star Wars collection. Ooh, this one, Lord of the Rings. This city is beautiful. Look, you have a lake. More pink noise. Place is closed, I think, because of
coronavirus. Or it's wind, right?
Anak, bomba ka dyan.
Comment down below.
Comment down below the reason why it's closed, right?
Yeah.
Tara.
We know. We don't know because who knows?
Too bad, guys. Closed. Can't go in. Hi guys, we're trying out this buffet. Let's see if it's good.
Near here, wow.
This is premium Korean beef. Gotta write your name,
1, 2, 3, 4.
phone number, temperature.
Mahal bagay, nighttime. Diyos ko. Mario, sarap dami food. Oh, meron dito pa. Hi guys, we're here at the food and here's Daddy. And we ate all the food.